Right now, in the world of Bitcoin, the question is Bitcoin about to dump? We're going to talk about that in this video. Make sure you watch until the very end. And if you haven't already hit the bell, make sure you do so you get notified of every video that we put out. Michael, let's talk about this because there's a lot of money on the line right now.
Yeah. Well, first of all, this head and shoulders, I think, is becoming invalidated because you can see that it didn't play out, right? So we can take that out and we're only left with this pattern, which is bullish, but not very. Even if it was to break on the upside, it would go up to here, right? That's what it means. So I think that it is more risky as time goes by. That the longer we go, then the more this risk. Like if that was to break down, then yeah, we are definitely going to go down back to 37, which would be a good opportunity to buy. And yeah, so I think it's more risky because you're seeing a red candle right now. So, what would spur on a dump would be bad news or whale dumping or just a lot of sales pressure, right? So we're just on the support. So anytime you're on the support, it's not confidence building, right? So I would say like that. So going back at the bottom, yeah, I think that would make sense. So we need to be careful. I would say like that. We can look at the traditional markets and say, well, yeah, we're getting green candles, so that's not bad. We're bouncing off the bull support band, which is 20-week moving average, 21 exponential moving average. So I think that's good. That's a bullish side, I would say. And then we know that if the traditional markets do well, then Bitcoin will do well too. So let's see, but this is not a confirm, right? Bounce. It could do this and then bam, right? So you have to be very careful to conclusively say anything. So right now, I would just say that remember what we showed you back then. This has not been invalidated yet. In fact, you can see that we're struggling to break that resistance. So because that's not been invalidated, boy, that could be a serious dump if that goes down. If we get rejected strongly, it could go all the way down to like 32, even 30, 31, right? That's possible. And then bounce. I would say that would be a good place to buy for sure. Even all in, I'd be willing to do that personally, because I'm pretty sure it would be bounce and then you can make the trade after, right? So by the way, it could go straight down, like it could go slowly down. It's just, we don't know, but I think there's going to be a lot of fear if it starts breaking serious supports, So I think it's possible. Like it just have to wait and see, right? We just have to wait and see. So there's nothing definite, but you know what I think? I think you got to be careful.
Well, a couple of days ago, we did a video where you explained about bull traps, and that if you've not seen that video, go back and watch it. We'll put a link in the comments.
We'll put, you can click on the video on top here. When I upload, I'll put the video on top here.
Perfect, because that is really insightful to help you understand patterns and what Bitcoin could do. So again, nobody can predict it with 100%. But the more you understand patterns, the more you understand how this works, the better decisions you're going to make. You just got to manage risk in this game. It's what it's all about in accordance with your trading strategy. Day trader, month trader, long-term trader, trader, it all makes a difference.
And just to be clear, I still hold crypto. It's just that I'm very cash positive, like 70% cash positive. So some crypto I'm not going to sell because they have a high chance to make money at any time now. But I'll be honest with you, they're more about product launch, crypto launch, things like that, So a lot of those coins have opportunity because even in a bear market, you can make tons of money if you buy like an ICO launch and things like that. So that's something for you to think about, right? For those of you who are watching, that it does not matter if Bitcoin goes down. There's tons of opportunity, tons of coins doing well because they're just launching, they're getting started, so they can grow very fast. Yeah. Got to go
exactly.
Where the trend is. Got to go where the trend is,
If you find a coin that's just launching but has a solid team behind it, even more so, because a lot of people launch but they can't sustain the project because they just don't know how to do that. So
yeah, well, that's right. Yeah. The team is everything. Behind every successful business is always a successful leader, right? Like that is the key to investing. Like when Warren Buffett looks at investing in a business, he always look at who's the CEO, right? Because that's going to be a very important choice. on whether that is going to do well or not. So we got to look at the team. You're absolutely right.
For sure. All right. That's it for today. On behalf of the crypto guys, happy trading. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow, guys. Bye for now.